are a few things you will need. Tape the yarn to the surface and tie a knot at the center of the yarn. Now split the yarn into 2 halves and insert a needle through both of them. Now pass both the needles through all the purls as seen here. Once you've achieved the diamond shape, tie a knot at the end and you're done. Once again, tape the yarn to the surface. Tie a knot at the center of the yarn and insert 6 purls through the needle. Now pass the needle through the first purl and pull it together. Now insert 1 more purl through the needle and then pass the needle through the 3rd purl from the circle. Once you're done, tie a knot at the end and you're done.